Hey, I'm Steve from Gamers Nexus. I was asked to talk about Silverstone's 20th anniversary. So I didn't know this. Silverstone apparently turned 20 the same month that our company turned 15. And for 10 of those years, I've been covering Silverstone products at trade shows, including CES. And also, for all of those years, I've been working with Tony at Silverstone. So congratulations, Silverstone, on 20 years, and we're looking forward to many more.
So we're UFD Tech. Congratulations, Silverstone, on celebrating 20 years. That's amazing. You guys have been a great partner to have in the industry, and you make excellent products. Congratulations.
Happy 20th anniversary, Silverstone. I know that when I have something very strange and niche that I need to have, you guys are going to have it for some reason. I want to do that again and again. Happy anniversary!
Silverstone, 20 years, all these different brand names. Congratulations from Europe in the UK.
Hey guys, Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com, and I've worked with SilverStone for many years. 14 years in the industry I've been, and they've been around for 20 years, so this is their 20th anniversary. Congratulations, Silverstone. Happy